What's up everybody? Behind me is the art market in Kuta, what I'm gonna show you at the end of today's video, but now I'm gonna show you at the front of the beach what's cracking around. Hello! My viewers probably just recognize me. This is the tsunami shelter, but it's more into decorations, and I'm gonna show you what's going on in Kuta, in the area of the main Kuta beach gate, art market, and a little bit on the beachfront at the beginning of the video. So now they have even kids playground little bit, and of course the stalls with the regular stuff is still here. Nothing really actually changed in this part of the Kuta, except that as they have a nice wooden hut and regular stuff, sports jerseys, everything is here. Motorbikes are not allowed to drive, but it's okay. Actually it's not okay, but the locals doing it anyways. But let's say to make a good image of all the situation of the motorbikes, as they are just cargo motorbikes delivering beverages to the warungs. I think that's nice coverage of situation, makes image very good and everybody happy, so nobody will hate me in the comment section. Anyways, this is the Grand Ina Hotel. People enjoying their time, and overall the beach looks pretty busy. But yeah, this is it actually. You know, the aunties are here and the sellers, now they're actually using the wooden boxes. The bicycles are behind me. Aunties, of course, drinks, beverages, aunties driving. Actually, this lovely couple looks like a mixed couple, like me and Winnie when we are in our 60s, something like that. Cool. Overall, cool. Tourists on the stalls. It is how it is. Aunties. Yeah, this is it. And the main Kuta gate is over there. That's the Churchill Sanctuary. I think they have a little charters right now there, because some people actually there. Here we go. Let's join charter 11th. It was today actually. It's 11th. Yeah, at 4:30 p.m. And after that's how it is. Happy locals. Happy big group of the people enjoying their actually this is big group. Somebody calling me. Hi, hello. Over there, see people enjoying their time. And then and the team is here also. Hello, how you doing? Hello, brother. Hello. Yeah. This is it. This is Kuta. That's the situation and vibe here. Even Timmy have some happy tourists here. There is the Sam Warung, and Sam Warung actually is pretty busy. The big group of the happy Aussie people. Also greetings to the lady from Perth who came to me and say hi. Timmy is actually quiet, only one couple there. But overall, this is the situation here. Still construction of the Kuta main gate. And overall, this is what's the situation look like in Kuta. Whenever is the main gate, this is the Kuta beach, and this is how the situation look like. It's about 40 minutes to the sunset, by the way, it's gonna be behind. But the traffic jam on the main street is huge, so I'm gonna come back to the Kuta Square and show you around. This is like a little loop around, so you can walk also yourself. But like I said, a lot of things going on at the front of the main Kuta gate. Actually, the traffic congestion is unbelievable what's going on here. Everybody in the corner, mostly. I mean, look how many foreigners on the motorbike you're gonna find here. None of them. One guy on the Gojek as the passenger, on the Grab, and after that, yeah, only locals. Here we go. This is how the situation is cracking here in the main corner, actually. This is it. Also, some people stopping here even they shouldn't. Motor taxi services, and but I gotta tell you, for some reason the traffic is horrendous. I mean, I don't know where the people coming from and where they actually going. Well, this is it, and this is the ice cream shop is open at the front of the Grand Ina. I'm surprised, optimistically. Yeah, overall, you know, it feels like it's kind of busy in Kuta. So, especially Kuta. Legian, like yesterday, not that much, but Kuta looks okay. This is at the front of the Hard Rock and the Grand Ina. Also some international visitors here. Here we go, the guy on the He looks scared. I don't know why. Don't worry, mate. Grand Ina, overall sunset in the background. Also, the happy bus bar here, but half empty actually. They lose some people in it, and the driver's waiting for you. All right, this is it. I changed the lens because the white maybe not the best light condition. Anyways, the taxi. There's another hotel. They have a buffet dinner open to public without music, but the local one. And the food truck. Actually, the bar. This is the idea, like in Thailand, many of them. Jamie Oliver changed little bit the colors. Hard Rock shop. And the hotel behind Jamie Oliver, for some reason there are some people in it. Check this out. Not that empty like for Jamie Oliver. Usually quite a lot of people actually. I'm surprised. Positively nice. And this is it. What's the situation here? Going to Kuta Square, where in Kuta Square you can find more vibes like this one. Definitely enjoyable little afternoon walk. For some reason, I don't know why it's like this, but whenever I make videos here in Kuta, the views are pretty okay. I don't know why, but whenever I go in Sanur, views nowadays not so good, and in Legian not really good. But if I make a video in Kuta, there is always some amount of people who are always interested to watch my videos. So I believe you guys interested. However, I know many people also don't like the Kuta, but in Bali, this is the problem with Bali. One of the biggest problems with Bali actually. Everything is different and it's very hard to make everybody happy. It's just simply impossible to make everybody happy in Bali. That's the one of the main junction here at the beginning, in the corner of KFC and the Kuta Square. Busy, of course, there's traffic situation always, but also some happy tourists walking here. Here we go, some local guy making some attempt to make a business. Here we go, not that bad. Pineapple T-shirt. Definitely, actually, I'm gonna tell you, definitely there's more people walking on the streets here than on yesterday's video in Legian in general. I don't know why it's like that, but I can feel it. Even in Kuta Square, where Kuta Square is considered quiet. Look, a small baby with all the helmet here. Parents have a helmet, but baby not. Maybe babies have a more, I don't know. I'm not gonna comment on it actually. Anyways, this is it. This is Kuta Square, July 2023. Also, somebody asked me, oh, here we go. Those people also don't know. Anyway, Bagus Watch is still open, and the building next to it is for lease in case if you'd like to make some business. Somebody have a nice Vespa, here you go. But even nice already crashed. Anyways, this is it. This is Kuta Square. So Matahari was here. It's closed, of course. McDonald's is open, still open. Unfortunately, one thing what is the problematic in Kuta Square recently is that there is the traffic jam for unknown reasons. I mean, I know the reasons, there's only one-way roads, but everybody going to beach walk, but nobody actually doing much in Kuta Square itself because you can see so many abandoned buildings, shops actually for rent, for lease. Only the people going to beach walk. That's why Kuta looks busier than Legian yesterday. That's the end of the mystery actually. That's actually simple as that. Everybody's just going to beach walk in Kuta. Unfortunately, in Kuta, there's still a lot of boys who trying to sell you some illegal, stupid shit. Sorry for the words, but there is no other description for that. So if you came here, don't get offended about that. They were always here and they probably always gonna be. And this is the situation at the front of the Pasar Seni Kuta, which is the Kuta Art Market, Kuta Market in general, and the Ramayana Hotel at the front. This is the old Kuta, if I can call it like this one. If Bali will have any old town, this will be. However, Kuta is still considered as the village actually. The guy have a loud bag and the panorama bus. Yeah, this is it. Also mostly local tourists actually, local domestic Indonesian, if you got my point. And then yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go show you a little bit of the market. That's the parking area, pretty big. Basically, this is the area of the Kuta market. So the stalls are inside, and this is the main entrance here. But also, of course, there is the way to the beach, to the Kuta beach. So it's not necessarily as only this is entrance to the market. However, market looks like this one, which is pretty nice. I've been inside last time. Not gonna show you maybe again, but 3-story one, pretty nice, pretty clean. Not that busy as in Ubud, because Ubud market is busier than this one, but people have a nice view from the perspective of the stars, and also on the other side of the city also selling. Yo, what's up, how you doing? And that's it, that's it. Gonna get to the statue more closer, show you from the different perspective. So all of the statue is this one, and I'm gonna zoom it a little bit for you. As you can see, shelter Kebenchanan Baruna, which in translations means shelter about the tsunami, or at least something like that. Beautiful building. However, if it really will help to save your life in case of tsunami, I'm not sure. Parking area next to the temple where I always was here, it looks nice, clean and neat. Many people coming, enjoying the time, and this is it. Also, don't forget, guys, except that as there are beach bars and the markets and the places to buy something, and the sellers who trying sell you something what they shouldn't sell you anything, there's beautiful temple. However, at the same time, it's also in very good location, but it's not, you are not allowed to get inside, so that's also, well, this is it. But you can at least make a pictures from the front of it. And in this occasion, I would like to say thanks so much for watching, listening, and as always, I will see you on tomorrow on next video. See ya, take care.